This is not a sci fi. This is not a video game. This is real and it is flying. Because China has just shown the entire world a weapon that shoots while it hovers. And you know what? That changes the rule of the modern warfare. Meet the rifle drone, China's rifle drone. A small, unmanned aerial vehicle. It is light, it is quiet, it is precise. But wait, here's the shocker it carries a rifle and it fires in mid-air. No rockets, no bombs. Bullets controlled, targeted, and lethal. And you know who built it? The drone was developed by Guide Infrared, a Chinese defense technology firm. In live tests, the company claims that the drone achieved near perfect accuracy while firing from the sky. No recoil loss, no drift, no missed shot. Now, that detail alone has alarmed military analysis and that too worldwide. But this is big. Why? Because traditional drones drop explosive. This one, this one hunts. It can hover near buildings, track the moving targets also, fire a single, precise shot, reduce collateral damage, operate with AI assistance. Basically, in simple words, it can assassinate, not just attack. Now, connect this to Taiwan. Tensions between China and Taiwan are already at their highest point in years. Military drills around the island, warplanes crossing maiden lines, naval pressure in nearby waters, constant warnings from Beijing. And now this, a weapon ideal for urban warfare, special operations, leadership targeting, clearing resistance without mass bombing. And that's why some analysts they are calling it Taiwan's new nightmare, and the US also. So, is China preparing for invasion? Though China has not directly said so, but history teaches us one thing. Countries reveal weapons before they intend to use them, not after. Weapons like this are not just for parades, they are for the scenarios. Then comes the AI question and the fear. Yes, here's the most disturbing part of all. This particular drone is AI assisted. That raised a chilling possibility here. That happens when target identification is automated, human approval is reduced, kill decision happens in seconds. Well, this is where warfare starts to blur into automation. And the world has no clear rules for that yet. And it has global reaction too, quiet but really uneasy. There has been no loud condemnation, no emergency UN session, but defense planners are watching, and that too very closely, specifically the US. Because once country deploys such technology, others will follow. In the end, here's a bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. This is not just about China or Taiwan or the US. It's about the future of war. A future where drones don't just watch, they don't just bomb. They shoot, they decide, they strike with precision. When weapons become smaller, smarter, and more autonomous, war becomes easier to start, harder to stop, and far more personal. And with this rifle bomb, the new one, China may have just shown the entire world what the next battlefield looks like. Silent, precise, and unforgiving.